Booking flight tickets with free cancellation is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To book a flight ticket, just follow the instructions displayed on your screen. Enter your departure and arrival destinations and dates and click Search. Select the flight option most suited to your schedule and budget. Insert the correct passenger details according to the passport or ID book. Opt to purchase our cancellation refund product. Once payment is received, you will receive booking confirmation via email. Contact them to request flight cancellation at least 48 hours prior to departure of your outbound flight. This option is only available for international bookings. The product must be purchased when you book your ticket. You will not be able to add this option once your booking is complete. You must request your refund at least 48 hours before outbound travel has commenced. You will not be covered if you wish to cancel a flight during your journey or after a flight has already been flown.